Okay, so we are excited, ain't we?
Yes, we are.
This is D Weezy. This is some rods that we won from Tackle Warehouse Classic giveaway for guessing the Day 2 leader, which was Jacob Wheeler. And they also sent this box. So we're going to go ahead and dig into it and show you what we got. Ooh, what is this?
I think it might be something exciting.
So let's see what this is.
Ooh. That's a bag.
Tackle Warehouse bag. Just gonna dump it out.
Gosh, Dad, that was hard. Ooh.
Got a white 1/2 ounce Dobyns spinner rack. All this is Dobyns. This is the Dobyns giveaway. So everything in this prize pack is gonna be Dobyns. What you got?
Got some Dobyns hooks.
Got some swim jig heads. 3/16 ounce. Some more 3/16 ounce. Some 1/4 ounce. Some more 1/4 ounce.
More 1/4 ounce. I have
Like
one of
some
those.
3/16 ounce. Alright, so let's look at the spinner baits. See if they say the color. Shad Chartreuse Shimmer. 1/2 ounce. I think all these are going to be 1/2 ounce. Delta Crawl. It's a nice looking red. Shimmer Shad. And Chartreuse Shad.
And something other.
Got Blue Chartreuse White Shad. And now we've got our jigs. And this is what I'm excited about. I'm gonna win some tournaments on some jigs this year. Two-tone brown purple. That's the one that I love. Killed him last year on a brown and purple one before I lost it. So see how that one does. We got Magic Crawl, White Vision. I don't ever really throw white ones. We'll try it. This one looks good. Brown Orange Special. A Mud Crawl. And Crawl Daddy.
Now let's
You ready
open
for
the
the big one?
rods.
Let's see if we can get these open. Let's see. I think we're on the wrong end. Oh.
Ooh, that one's nice. Oh, that's tall. That's super tall.
A
Sorry,
Dobyns
packet.
7-foot medium heavy fast action. It says on here for Cincos, jigs, flukes, Texas rigs, and spinner baits. These Dobyns rods are very nice. Love that logo. There it's upside down. I love that logo. I don't have enough room to swing it that way. So that's the casting rod. That logo on the need cork handles. I like cork.
Ooh.
So this is going to be a 7-foot, 1-piece, medium fast action. Good for jigs, Texas rigs, Cincos, and shaky heads. And the big difference with this is a spinning rod. It means I have to get a spinning reel. Now, I don't have any spinning reels. So I got to get a spinning reel to put on this. Same green. Looks nice. Cork handles. A really nice rod. So we're gonna test it out Sunday. Got this stuff just in time for practice for our next tournament, which is gonna be not this weekend but next weekend
On Sunday.
And so I'm excited to try these out. Hopefully these, between the rods and the new baits I got, be able to handle some big fish. So, Tackle Warehouse, thanks. This is amazing. Couldn't wait to get this. I've been sitting at the door all evening waiting for the UPS truck to come. And guys, be on the lookout for the next tournament video. We're going to try to get some good footage. We had some camera problems this last tournament, but we ended up placing third with only 2 fish. We got lucky. It was a tough lake. Apparently we were a little better than most everybody else that day. And ended up going home with big fish and one of the door prizes there. So hopefully we'll be just as lucky. Hopefully this tournament will win. It's a lake that I love, but I know everybody else loves it too. So everybody's gonna be catching them, I'm sure. So just stay tuned for that. Go like the Instagram page. Make sure to subscribe for more videos. Hit the little bell button. That way you know whenever I post one. And we'll see you later.
See you guys.